The value of Bitcoin, which some may think is overpriced. It really doesn't. This is due to two basic sets of reasons. A set of reasons for the advantages of Bitcoin itself. The other set of reasons is related to the significant changes that have taken place since the corona pandemic until now, and that will continue for decades to come. We will start with the reasons for Bitcoin, which gives it high value. Bitcoin is a blockchain-powered digital currency with exceptional features. The first advantage of Bitcoin is that it is encrypted. This means that its digital footprint cannot be hacked, changed, copied, or stolen. The second advantage is secrecy. No one can know the details of the transactions or financial transactions that took place in Bitcoin through the currency. The third feature is decentralization. There is no central bank or government agency that issues Bitcoin or prevents its circulation. The fourth feature is the property of storing information. Every Bitcoin holder gets a notification of any Bitcoin trade, so each currency is a complete record of all transactions that take place on Bitcoin, which makes the process of theft or forgery almost impossible. The fifth feature is the mining mechanism. The only way to complete any operation is to deliver notifications to all previous currencies by solving computer algorithms. As a reward for the one who performs this operation, he gets a specific number of Bitcoins. This amount is reduced by half every 4 years. In the beginning, the reward was 50 Bitcoin, and now it is about 6 Bitcoin. This method of mining makes it harder and more expensive to get a new Bitcoin, which raises the price of old Bitcoin. The sixth advantage is the limited supply. Bitcoin cannot be produced after it reaches 21 million. It has already exceeded 18 million currencies in 2023. And in the law of the market, the lower the supply, the higher the price. All these features of Bitcoin raise its value and price. But not only this raises its price. There are a number of other reasons that led to the rise in the value of Bitcoin significantly, including the corona epidemic, which made the whole world communicate electronically, which raised the ceiling of demand expectations for electronic products very significantly. This led to a significant rise in the cryptocurrency market as a whole and Bitcoin in particular. With the promotion of cryptocurrencies by some businessmen and billionaires and accepting to buy and sell with it, that led to increased confidence and demand for it. Also, the rise in inflation after the Russian-Ukrainian war made many give up their paper currencies for financial assets that are not affected by inflation and are not issued by central banks, like gold and cryptocurrencies, and of course on top of them Bitcoin. With the size of the Bitcoin market reaching more than $800 billion, and the presence of tens of millions of holders of Bitcoin all over the world, it makes it harder for governments to fight Bitcoin. Rather, they want to get benefit from it. This is what makes him gain more popularity, more value, and makes many around the world want to get the precious Bitcoin.